What we're doing today? Today we are offering £100 to the person that can positively identify the make and model of this boat that we've been renovating over the last few months. Let's do it. Right, let's do this. Welcome back to the channel. If you've not seen the other videos, check out this link. I'll take you to the videos. We've been filming a series renovating this boat. A lot of you have probably already seen it, but if you haven't, go check them out and you'll see what we're talking about. So today we are trying to positively identify the make and model of this old beast. I have no idea what it is. I've tried finding it, searching on the internet. Some people have already given us some answers, but nobody has given me a positive link to this boat, so I can say, yep, that's definitely what it is, and that's what I'm looking for. So what am I doing? I am offering £100 to the person that positively identifies it for me, gives me a link or puts me in the right direction. I get lots of people watching these videos from America, Australia, so if you're not British and you don't want £100, I'll send you the equivalent. We'll do it in Amazon vouchers, we'll do it via PayPal, however it is, but one person is going to get it if they give me the right link or put me in the right direction. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk you around the boat and I'm just going to point out a few features that are really important to help identify this, because there's a few things on it that make me realise it's not some of the boats that people have said in some of the comments. But the first thing I'm going to start with is look at this piece up here, this canopy. That canopy is original. Some people thought it might have been made DIY, being added onto another boat. It is not, and I'm going to show you why. If you look at that, look how rounded it is. It's got all stiffeners in there. I mean, it's an old beast, but that is not homemade. That is original. And in the originally these boats had an oval badge there. Now that oval badge would have given me all the information I need. I've seen a couple of these boats for sale identical to this, but as you can imagine, they're old and crappy. And the people selling them, I did contact them, they didn't know the exact model, but one of the boats did have the oval badge on there, and I tried getting the information off the guy, but he wasn't much help. He wasn't interested because he knew I wasn't interested in buying it. So let me point out a few things. If you look, you can see it's originally had a cuddy in here, it's had a cabin. You can see where the original bulkheads were. That's what's going to go back in. That's the original seating. It probably had a toilet here and some kind of cooker at this side. Pretty standard for these kind of boats. There's the back end. Now, it won't have had all these stiffeners in originally. I've put them in, upgraded that. But pretty standard on the inside. I'll walk you around the outside because that's what you're going to need to really get an idea of what this boat maybe was. Right, so look at this little triangle window up there. That's really important because you don't really see them on other boats. And this side window, look how this back angle kicks back. A lot of the boats that people say it is, that back angle slopes the other way. So bear that in mind. I'll take you around the front, give you a shot, give you an idea of what it looks like. And then you can see the hull, how it's got like a displacement hull at the front, and then it kind of goes into a bit of a flat bottomed hull at the back, and it has these bilge keels for stabilisation. So I'll put a few photos in the video of the other boats that I saw for sale. One of them's in better condition than this, to be honest. So now you've seen around the boat, let me know what you think. If you can identify it, if you can tell me what this is, have a look at the other videos in the links and you can see some of the comments on them videos. People have already tried guessing. I did offer a £25 voucher, and a few people did guess. You know, some of them was dead positive in their answers, but when I looked them up, it wasn't those. You'll know. I'll know straight away if somebody gives me a positive link or positive identification, and I search it. I'll know if this is the boat. Right. So if you know what this boat is, you know the name of it and the model of it, the brand, the makers. Put a comment. You know, it's free. It's not going to cost you anything to comment, even if you're wrong. But you're going to point me in the right direction. I'd appreciate it. Put a comment in. I will respond to you. You know, I respond to all my comments. If you look at my other videos, you'll see the comments that some people have already tried guessing and put comments on the other videos. So if you think it's a micro plus or something, have a look in the other comments. You'll see the ones we've already gone through. I will respond to you, and if somebody can point me in the right direction, give me a positive identification, I'm as good as my word. I'm a Yorkshireman. I will send you the money. Not a problem. Let's do it. Let's find out what this boat is. You know, because we've got a lot more videos coming as we're doing this boat up. It's a lot of fun. It'd be nice to know what it is that I'm actually doing. If you like the video, check the other videos out. If you like them, you know, subscribe, like. You know, if I'm doing something wrong, point me in the right direction. It's always appreciated. Right, I'm going inside now because it's freezing here.